Imagine waking up to find your inbox buzzing with new client requests, your bank account steadily growing, and your to-do list magically shrinking. It sounds like a dream, but for many people right now, it's reality. All thanks to AI agents. These aren't just tools for automating boring tasks. They're digital workers that people are selling as services and products, making thousands of dollars while they sleep. The AI agent gold rush is here, and if you want to stake your claim, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to build your own AI agent that actually works, even if you're not a tech wizard. First, let's nail down what an AI agent actually is. Forget the idea of a simple chatbot that spits out canned responses. An AI agent is more like a digital employee. It can understand what you want, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. It's not just following a script, it's thinking for itself, using information from its environment to figure out the best next step. Whether it's answering customer questions, booking travel, or writing content, an AI agent can handle tasks that used to eat up hours of your day. So, why is now the perfect time to build your own AI agent? The technology has never been more accessible. You don't need a computer science degree or years of coding experience. With the right tools, anyone with a laptop and an idea can build something powerful. Plus, the demand for these agents is exploding. Businesses and individuals want results, not just more software. If you can deliver an agent that solves real problems, you'll find plenty of people willing to pay for it. The first step in building your AI agent is to get crystal clear on its purpose. Don't just build something because it sounds cool. Build something that makes a difference. Start by looking at your own life or business. What repetitive, time-consuming task do you wish you could hand off to someone else? Maybe it's answering the same customer questions over and over, managing your calendar, or generating content ideas. The best AI agents are the ones that free up your time and solve headaches for others. If you're not sure where to start, listen to what people complain about in your industry, or check out online marketplaces to see which AI agents are already making waves. The sweet spot is finding a problem that's both common and painful enough that people would happily pay to make it disappear. Once you've defined your AI agent's purpose, it's time to pick the right platform. For no-code builders, Botpress offers a free tier, which is 2,000 messages per month, with customizable add-ons starting at $10 per month for extra bots, or $20 for 5,000 messages. If you need enterprise-grade automation, Stack AI starts at $199 per month for 2,000 runs, while Make.com, formerly Integromat, provides workflow automation starting at $9 per month for 10,000 operations. But if you already are a developer, you might lean toward Postman, which is $19 per user per month for API integration, or towards Zep, which is $99 per month for advanced memory capabilities. Furthermore, for cutting-edge solutions, OpenAI's Operator Beta, which is $199 per month, can automate complex web tasks, while Google's Vertex AI agents charge $12 per 1,000 queries for generative features. Now, if the platform is sorted, it's time to design your agent's architecture. Start with a large language model, LLM, as the brain, then connect it to APIs for hands-on functionality. A travel agent, for example, might integrate flight booking APIs, weather data, and hotel databases. Use platforms like Make.com to visually link these components without coding at $16 per month. Pro Plan allows 50,000 operations for multi-step workflows. For specialized knowledge, upload PDFs or databases to tools like Botpress, which is $20 per month for 1 GB storage to create domain-specific expertise. After agent's architecture, now the time is to craft precise instructions and variables. Because a budget travel agent might require variables for destination, dates, and preferences, paired with commands like prioritize family-friendly accommodations under $150 per night and suggest 3 local dining gems. Platforms like Stack AI, which is $199 a month, let you customize these parameters through drag-and-drop templates, while Devin AI, which is $50 a month, assists developers in coding complex decision trees. Map the workflow meticulously. Start with a greeting. Hi, let's plan your affordable family getaway. Then design conversational branches. If a user mentions a tight budget, program your agent to skip luxury options using Make.com's 1-minute execution intervals. For e-commerce agents, use Postman's API testing, which is $19 per month to ensure seamless payment gateway integration. Testing is where prototypes become polished tools. Run your travel agent through scenarios like last-minute bookings or budget overflows. Botpress offers an $89 per month plus plan with live chat support to troubleshoot issues, while Google Vertex AI provides detailed analytics at $12 per 1,000 queries to identify bottlenecks. Gather feedback from 10 to 20 beta users. Offer free access in exchange for critiques on response accuracy and usability. When deploying, choose your format wisely. Use Zep's $99 per month plan to host enterprise agents with 75,000 messages per month, or embed a Botpress widget, which is $10 per month per bot directly into websites. For app integrations, Make.com's team plan supports shared workspaces and 100,000 operations. Monitor performance with Stack AI's custom analytics to track metrics like task completion rates or user retention. Monetization hinges on positioning. Sell a social media management agent as a $299 per month done-for-you service using OpenAI's Operator to handle cross-platform posting. Package a sales lead agent as a $99 per month SaaS product via Botpress's white label option. For passive income, list niche agents on marketplaces. Make.com built CRM Automator could net $5,000 per month at 50 subscribers, paying $100 each. Highlight outcomes. Our agent cuts client onboarding from 8 hours to 20 minutes, resonates more than technical specs. The key is matching tools to goals. No-code platforms for solopreneurs, hybrid systems for SMEs, and enterprise solutions like Google Vertex AI, custom pricing, for large-scale deployments. With strategic platform choices and iterative testing, your agent evolves from a concept to a revenue-generating asset. Let's look at a few real-world examples to see what's possible. Operations teams are using AI agents to handle complex processes like order fulfillment and employee onboarding, saving hours each week. Sales teams deploy agents to research prospects, write personalized emails, and schedule follow-ups, boosting their close rates. Of course, there are some common pitfalls to watch out for. Don't build an agent just because you can. Make sure there's real demand for what you're offering. In the end, building an AI agent that actually works isn't about fancy technology or buzzwords. It's about solving real problems in a way that feels magical to users. Start with a clear purpose, use the right tools, and keep refining your agent until it delivers real value. The AI agent revolution is just getting started, and there's still plenty of room for newcomers to make their mark. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this deep dive. What do you think? Are you ready to build your own AI agent or not? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if you learned something new. Remember to subscribe so I can keep you updated with the latest in the AI world.